Hey, what is up, you guys? All right, so we got another issue with the good old TJ. It's been leaking pretty heavily during rain into the floorboard to the point where it's actually filling up the floorboard, like inches of water. So what we're gonna do first is basically get this bad boy off and see if we can identify what is going on underneath there. And if we can't find anything, then we'll probably take a hose and just start dripping it all over the place and see if we can find a leak that just kind of pokes through. All right, so in order to remove this whole piece, what you got to do is basically take a flathead, pry up underneath this. It's going to allow you to pull the windshield wipers off. And then it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips across the top, and then one right here in the grill. So we're gonna go ahead and pull those off and see what we're looking at. I lied, there's also one right there and one right there. You can see it kind of hiding right behind the seal. All right, so quick recap of what we found. Yes, it was dirty in here, but nothing looked weird. Right there, you're looking at the drain. This is a little plastic compartment that runs down into the engine bay and kind of dumps it on top of the transmission is what it looks like. We just basically sprayed a bunch of water in here and noticed that the whole thing was basically plugged up. It wasn't actually draining. So it is possible that this whole compartment was filling with water during rain and then going down through there, which is the intake for the heater and AC. Or the blower. But basically what we did is we blasted out with water as much as we could. Still wasn't getting this. We ended up hooking up a rubber hose, 1/4 inch to the actual hose, and basically squeezing down in there, kept prodding and poking, and eventually you could hear the water running clean underneath. So that was pretty much it. Easy fix, gotta love it. Like and follow, you guys.